The My Disney Experience app has been updated with a new look and the add-on of the Disney Genie service. Once inside the app, click the triple line hamburger icon button. Here, you will see Tipboard and My Day. The Tipboard and My Day can both be used for free and do not require you to buy Genie Plus or Lightning Lane access. The Tipboard will load in with a few general selections and tips at first, but you need to answer a few questions to get options more customized to you. So, head to My Day and click Get Started Now with Disney Genie. Disney Genie will base your day off of your selections. To get the most out of your visit, answer completely and truthfully. The system is built to learn around your wants and preferences. You will be asked to select your park, and you should have already grabbed a Disney Park Pass reservation on the Walt Disney World website through your account. From here, you will also select which family and friends will be with you. The app should auto-select those with pre-existing Park Pass reservations. From here, you will be asked about your top picks, from attractions to entertainment, dining, and more. Choose which rides you can't miss or really want to head to during the day. Then, what shows do you want to make sure that you see? After that, click which dining locations you'd like to check out and any extras that are offered in that park. Next, you will be asked about your general interests. Look this over and make sure you know what you truly came to see. This will help Disney Genie decipher the best options to offer, as well as giving the best advice on rides to go to and shows to see. You will be able to select down to parades, classic rides, slow rides, thrill rides, special characters, special Disney types of characters like Star Wars or villains, as well as specific dining options. You will also be able to decide if you would like height requirements and accessibility options to show up inside of your Tipboard or wherever you might be learning about a ride or a show. You will also be asked if you want to upgrade to Genie Plus or Lightning Lane access for certain attractions. These options do cost money and can help save time during your day, as well as offering exclusive extras, but we are focused on the free version. Now, inside of My Day and Tipboard, you're going to be able to see things that are more specific to your day. This will give you options like when should you go and ride Flight of Passage, or when is the best time to order food to make sure that it's ready by the time you arrive at the restaurant. And these will continually update throughout the day to give you the best possible options. Disney has stated that the Genie service will be able to decipher between guests and recommend thrill rides like Flight of Passage to certain guests or Kilimanjaro to others so that everyone isn't being thrown at one ride at once. The app also knows about weather updates or ride closures to make sure that it can help you out in the best way possible. It's like having a customized tour guide right in your pocket for free. Do you have more questions? We hope to answer it for you on our website. Our FAQ, Everything You Need to Know About the Disney Genie Service article is continually updated with more unique questions and answers. Head to attractionsmagazine.com or click the link in this video's description to check out the article for yourself. This new system is exactly that, new. It will have some issues at first that need to be worked out, and all new things are confusing for their first try. Disney Genie is designed to help make your day the best it could possibly be. So try it out for yourself and see how well it learns you and your preferences.